Hey, to hide apps on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Then you will start from here, so you will have to scroll down and move into the security and the privacy. Then scroll all the way down and select hide apps. And before you actually open it, by the way, if you didn't create this privacy password, you will have to actually set your privacy password. I just did it, so now all I have to do is just to input this password. And then I've got a list of all apps that I can hide. So let's do this, for example, with my browser. So click on the switcher next to the app icon, and now we have to set the access code that we will have to input on the dial pad. So click on the settings. Then we have to start with hash and input the code. So I'm gonna give this code, for example, and end also with hash. Then click on the right upper corner to confirm, and now click done. So now when I'm gonna try to find Google Chrome browser, as you can see, it's not available right here. And if I want to actually find it, I have to open phone dialer, then click on the keyboard, input my code. There we go. And now I can find my hidden app. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.